Hi everyone, it's Math with AUB. Mock come guess type questions I have selected for you as I am solving. It is 9 of 50 and there are I think 9 of 23. I am both running parallel in order to facilitate your preparation. Sky is the limit and beyond. Let's see and find out of this question. If in mathematics the given part, if 3 times y plus 1 is equal to 2 times x, if 3 times y plus 1 is equal to 2 times x. It is given portion. Then find the value of 9 raised x divided by 27 raised y. And here are the options. If the given portion to be utilized, to get the value of 9 raised x divided by 27y. What is given portion? Let's see and find out. Open this up. Solution. We have 3 times y plus 1 is equal to x. If I multiply 3y here, it's equal to 2x. Okay, I have simplified a little bit. It's our equation number. It's our given condition. Now we have to find this thing that has been concealed here, hidden here. We have to reveal it, unveil it, where it has been hidden. So what we have to find out? We have to solve 9 raised x divided by 27 raised y. 9 can be written as 3 square x m, while 27 can be written as 3 times 3 y same. Look, instead of 9 I have written 3 square x m, instead of 27 3 cube y same. Bases are same, they are in division. We can subtract either 2x from 3y or 3y from 2x as the situation permits. Let me subtract this one from here. I can write 3 raised to x. It will become minus 2y. Bases are same. I have subtracted lower power from upper. 2x minus 3y there is, sorry. 2x minus 3y. So we can easily obtain the value of 2x minus 3y from here. We can easily find value of 2x minus 3y from here. Just shift 3y over there. So I have 3 is equal to 2x minus 3y. I have shifted 3y over there. 2x minus 3y. 2x minus 3y, it's equal to 3. So instead of this 2x minus 3y, I can plug in 3 raised value of 2x minus 3y is 3. 3 raised cube. It will become 3 into 3 into 3. So 27 is our answer in that case. So our option is the C option in that case. Given portion we have utilized and we have to find the value of this one. They must have relation, they both have relation, they must have relation. We have to unveil that relation, that we have to hunt down, we have to reach there, then connect the dots, and we are going to have our answer. Let's see question number 10. Hi everyone, it's Math with AUB. A tiny question 10 of 50 that I have selected for your mock type test, for your guess. Let's see and find out. I have drawn a figure having dimensions 5, 6 and 14. 5, 6 and 14. If I drop a perpendicular from here, if I drop altitude perpendicular from here, then it is very easy. It's a rectangle, it is a right angle triangle. After drawing a tiny angle, dropping perpendicular from, it is 6, it is also 6. It's 5, it's also 5. It is total 14. So 14 minus 6, it will become 8. So it is our 8, 5, 6 and 5. Now we are in a position to find its area. We have given a figure like this. It's 5, it's 6, it's 6, it is 6. It is total 14. It is total 14, 6, it is also 6. Total 14, 14 minus 6, it's equal to 8. By virtue of opposite sides of a rectangle, they are equal, it's also 5. It is 6, it is 6, and it is base is 8 and perpendicular is 5. Now we are in a position to find its area. Area of rectangle plus area of rectangle plus area of right angle. Area of right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. Length into width, breadth into width. It is 6 times 5 plus area of right angle 1 upon 2 base into height. Base into height. Our base is, let me write here, length into width. Formula for your convenience. Base time height. Height is sometimes also called altitude. Height is sometimes also called altitude. Height or altitude synonyms for each other. Length width either take 5, 6. 5 times 6 is equal to 1 upon 2. Base is 8 in that case and height is 5. Applying table of 2. 4 times 6, 5 the 30 plus 4, 5 the 20. It's our 50. Unit is centimeter, 50 centimeter square. 50 centimeter square. Look, there is no formula for direct thing. If I draw a perpendicular, if I draw a line, delicate line, fine line with rational, with logic, we have broken up the figure in rectangle as well as right triangle. Rectangle and right triangle. Rectangle means length time width, its area, and perpendicular or right angle triangle 1 upon 2 base into height. Height is sometimes also called altitude. That's simple one. Just add the two areas, you are going to get the area of the whole figure, whole figure. That is 50. It's all by itself. Wait for the question number 11. Hi everyone, it's Math with AUB. Geometry based question. We have given a rhombus. Rhombus means all sides equal like a square. All sides equal like a square. Name them A, B, C, D. It's given to us AB is 30. It is a rhombus. By virtue of rhombus, all sides are equal. All sides are equal. All sides are equal. Like a square, but unlike a square, it has no angle of 90. No angle is of 90. No angle is of 90 in case of rhombus. The point of difference, the point of difference between rhombus and square is that each angle of square is of 90, but rhombus has no angle of 90. Square 90. Square 90. In case of rhombus, no angle is of 90. No angle is of 90. However, diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Diagonals in case of rhombus, they are perpendicular to each other. They are perpendicular. By virtue of diagonals, they bisect. They meet at the midpoint. And we have given BD is equal to 10. BD is equal to 10. BD, length BD is 10 given to us. By this virtue, B, suppose it is E. BE is 5, ED is also 5. BE is 5, ED is 5. It's a rhombus. In case of rhombus, all sides are equal. But no angle is of 90. In square, each angle is of 90. In rhombus, no angle is of 90. However, diagonals are perpendicular in rhombus. They are making angle 90. Diagonals bisect as well as they are perpendicular. BD is given to us 10. They bisect this midpoint, it is 5, it is also 5. Taking a chunk out of this, and we are asked to find length of the other diagonal AC. The length of the other diagonal. Just slash out this triangle. It will be 5. It's 5. It's 30. Suppose it is equal to x. Opposite to 90. Hypotenuse. Diagonals bisect and they meet. They are perpendicular to each other. By virtue of this, it is 90. Opposite to 90 hypotenuse. It's perpendicular its base. Apply Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Hypotenuse is 13. 13 square base is x square plus perpendicular is 5. 13 the 169. X square 5 the 20.
5. 5 5 the 25. Shift 25 here. We have 169 minus 25 is equal to x square. 169, it will become 144. The difference of two perfect square, result also perfect square. Square root of 144 is 12. Square root of 144 is 12. So x is equal to 12. So x is equal to 12. So this one is 12. This is also 12. It is 12. It is also 12. We are interested in AC. So AC is 12 plus 12. It's 24. The length of the other diagonal is 24. The length of the other diagonal is 12 plus 12, 24. The length of the other diagonal is 24. It's a rhombus. The point of difference between rhombus and square is each angle of a square is 90. However, no angle is of 90 in case of rhombus. Here, diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Diagonals are perpendicular to each other. And it is given us BD is of 10. Units are 10 centimeters. They bisect. Bisect means they intersect at midpoints. It's 5. It's also 5. I have slashed out this triangle 5x30, 5x30, 5x30. Applying Pythagoras theorem, I have this segment. I have this segment. That is our AE. AE plus EC. AE is 12. EC is also 12. So AC is equal to 12 plus 12, 24. 24. Moving towards question number 12.
Hi everyone, it's Matt with AUB. In that question, we are asked to find average speed. Average speed. Uh, by mistake, student utilize arithmetic mean formula V1 plus V2 divided by 2 for average. No doubt it is average formula, but not applicable in case of this velocities or speed. It is not applicable in case of velocities or speeds. For them, the average formula is given by, that is our normal harmonic mean. It is stated that 2 times velocity 1, speed 1, velocity 2 over sum of the velocities. That is the formula for average speed or average velocity. This is the formula to be utilized in order to find average speed or average velocity. Average speed or average velocity, that is the formula. 2 times V1 plus V2 over V1 plus V2. 2 times V1 into V2 divided by V1 plus V2, not this average. Okay. Let's move to question. What is the average speed of a person which goes with a speed of 60 kilometers per hour and returns with a speed of 40 kilometers, traveling the same distance, traveling the equal or same distance, traveling the same distance. Okay. Rather than a plus b upon 2, simple arithmetic mean, utilize harmonic mean. Always utilize harmonic mean to find average speed or velocity. To find average speed of two speeds, always apply harmonic formula, harmonic mean formula. That is 2 times V1 is given to us, that is 60. V2 it is also given to us 40 upon sum of the velocity, 60 plus 40. It is going to be our answer. This one. 2 times 60 into 40 over 100. Sometime being lazy or lethargic is also workable in time in case of calculation. Cancel out. Otherwise, you would have multiplied, then still you have to cancel. Double zero cancel. I have 2 into 6 into 4. 2 6 the 12, 4 12 the 40, 8 kilometers per hour. 48 that is our average speed. 48 kilometers per hour. Not this is the case. 60 plus 40 divided by 250. Don't apply the simple mean formula. Apply harmonic mean formula for average speed or velocities. Harmonic mean formula. Harmonic mean to be utilized in order to find average speed or average velocities. This is the formula, harmonic mean formula. It states that 2 times V1 plus V2 upon V1 plus V2. That is the formula to be found, to be utilized when you are asked to find average speed, average speed, average speed. That is the formula, not this one, V1 plus V2 upon 2. Average speed is utilized by can easily be calculated by applying harmonic mean formula. 2 times V1 V2 over V1 plus V2, harmonic mean formula. for average speed, for average velocity. Stuck to that formula, adhere to this formula, cling to this formula. It will pave the way for your right option. 2 times V1 plus V2 over V1 plus V2. Wait for the question number 13. Hi everyone, it's Math with AUB. Let's see how to deal inequality. How to deal inequality. We are taught remove mod, introduce positive negative sign here. To some extent at low level it is affordable, but that is the way, that is the definition by how to open modulus. Minus 4 less than equal to n minus 4 less than or equal to positive 4. That is our open interval. There is less than, it is going to be our open interval. That is something. N minus 4 is less than n minus 1 less than positive 4. That is the way to open an inequality having mod. Having mod. How to open mod having inequality? That's the way. That's the way. That's the way. Let me give you another example. Suppose we have x plus 5 less than or equal to a. So that is the formula. A minus a is less than x plus 5. That is less than or equal to positive. That is the way to open up inequality having modulus. Having modulus. Okay. Now we are interested in n. We have to get rid of this negative one. Add positive one throughout everywhere. Minus 1, minus 4 plus 1 less than n minus 1 plus 1 less than 4 plus 1, cancelled out. Minus 4 plus 1, it is minus 3, less than n is less than 5. N is less than 5. From this we can infer that 3 is not included as well as 5. Let me draw on a line where I say integers. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's 5, and so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 3 is excluded. Minus 3 is not included. So I write here a circle, but open one. I do not take this 3. And what about this 5? This 5 is also excluded. This 5 is also excluded. But a portion in between, neither minus 3 is included nor 5 is included. Neither negative 3 nor 5 are included. All the rest are included. So we have total number of integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 integers, 7 satisfying this inequality. 7 integers, 7 integers, 7 integers. So our right option is this one, 7. If there would have been written less than or equal to, then this 3 as well as 5 also included, and I have shaded this portion as well. I would have shaded, but in that case minus 3 and positive 5 are not included. In between minus 3 and 5, between minus 3 and 5, all integers are included. They are minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you count them, they are 7. They are 7. Mod n minus 1 less than 4. How to open this up? Negative 4 less than n minus 1 less than 4. This is the way to get rid of modulus as well as inequality. That is the way. Then solve for n. There is n minus 1. To get rid of positive 1, I have added 1 throughout. So that is by minus 3, 5. A question arises. Minus 3 and 5 are excluded. Minus 3 and 5 are excluded because minus 3 is less than n is less than 5. Minus 3 and 5 excluded. So I have left this 3 space open. Minus 2 included, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are included. Minus 5 and minus 3 are not included. So the total number satisfying this inequality are 7. If that is the case, then there must be 9 integers satisfying 9 integers. 9 integers satisfying the inequality. 9 integers. If there is less than or equal to, if there is less than or equal to. So 9 integers are possible. 9 integers are possible. How? You can include 3 as well as 5 for this inequality. It is extra work for you to think. In our case, mod n minus 1 less than 4, only 7 integers are possible. If there is less than or equal to, then there are 9 integers possible satisfying the given inequality. Wait for the question number 14.